Hello everybody, my name is Turtle, also known as Damie, also known as Earl, also known as Gibby, also known as the Earlster. I like to play baseball, and for the 4th of July, I'm doing many things. Like one, that's a nice truck over there, take a look at it. Isn't that nice? The guy looks driving, looks like a dipshit though. But anyways, this year for the 4th of July, for the 4th of July, I am going to do something radical. I'm going to show you how I swing the baseball bat. Ice cream truck's coming, I can't wait. I'm going to chase the ice cream truck down with 75 cents.
Stealing all my coins. You can do that if you want.
I'd be like, oh, you don't have what I want. You ready?
Do you have enough coins?
I have 4.
Hurry up. Buy it.
IceCream! Look at him! Damn it! I missed it. Things like that always happen to me. Get this shit out of my face. So mad right now. He drove away.
What if I just stopped for you? He saw you.
And I was like, IceCream. He's like, IceCream. And I was like, get back. Dick.
You probably stole it.